Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that can transform your cooking experience, the AMZCHEF Portable Induction Cooktop. We found this versatile electric burner online, and we've included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. Now, let's get into what makes this induction cooktop so special. The AMZCHEF Portable Induction Cooktop is a compact and powerful cooking appliance designed for those who need flexibility in the kitchen. With a robust heating capability of up to 1800 watts, this countertop burner is perfect for everything from quick meals to full-course dinners. One of the standout features of this induction cooktop is its multi-level temperature adjustment. With 20 distinct temperature and power settings ranging from 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 465 degrees Fahrenheit, you have precise control over your cooking. Whether you're slow cooking a stew, gently simmering a sauce, or high-heat stir-frying vegetables, this induction burner can handle it all. This level of control allows for perfect cooking results every time, catering to both novice and experienced cooks alike. Another great feature is the one-touch smart menus. The AMZCHEF induction burner is equipped with 4 dedicated cooking modes: boiling water, hot pot, stewing, and keep warm. This is incredibly user-friendly, with a graphical display that makes it easy to see the selected mode. Even if you're new to cooking, you can easily select the right mode with just one touch, making meal preparation a breeze. Speaking of convenience, the fast heating capability of this cooktop is a game-changer. Thanks to its dual-coil design, it heats up quickly, allowing you to save time in the kitchen. However, it's important to note that this induction cooktop is compatible only with magnetic cookware. This means it works beautifully with everything from small skillets to larger pots, making it highly versatile for various cooking needs. Now, let's talk about the design. The AMZCHEF Portable Induction Cooktop features a sleek and stylish look, thanks to its high-strength black ceramic glass surface. Not only does it add a modern touch to your kitchen, but it's also durable and oil-resistant. Cleanup is quick and easy, just a simple wipe with a damp cloth does the trick. Plus, its compact design makes it an excellent option for small kitchens, RVs, and apartments where space is at a premium. Safety is another important aspect of the AMZCHEF cooktop. It incorporates several safety functions, including a 4-hour timer, which allows you to set your cooking time without having to constantly monitor it. Additionally, it features a safety lock, overheat protection, and pan detection, ensuring a worry-free cooking experience. This makes it an excellent choice for families or anyone who may be concerned about kitchen safety. So, who is this induction cooktop suitable for? It's perfect for anyone from students and small apartments to families looking for a secondary cooking option. If you enjoy camping and need a reliable cooking appliance for your RV, or if you're someone who loves to experiment with new recipes in a compact space, this cooktop will serve you well. It's also great for individuals who may not have a full kitchen setup but still want to enjoy home-cooked meals. In practical terms, you can use the AMZCHEF Portable Induction Cooktop for a variety of cooking tasks. From boiling water for pasta or a hot pot gathering to simmering soups and keeping dishes warm for your family, this cooktop covers all the bases. Its versatility allows you to tackle multiple cooking scenarios with ease. That wraps up our review of the AMZCHEF Portable Induction Cooktop. If you're looking for a reliable, versatile, and stylish cooking appliance, this could be just what you need. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you,